Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to create algorithm which it will create lottery, and from lottery, as you know, that we will start from 0 1 2 and we will go until 49, and then our algorithm will randomly choose from 0 until 49 like a 6 numbers. For example, let's say it choose 4, 11, and 19, 29, 33, and 45. It's 6 numbers. And let's say whenever randomly it generate a number, if 45 is the first one, because since we will just create array and then we'll assign this value into our array. If first number is 45, we want to make ascending, is the smaller number will be the first, as we will just sort it. That's how I will show you. First, let's go and create a random class, random, because random class is what it does is generate our random number. And now we need array as an integer, and I call it lottery, and then size of our array, it will be 6 because we need 6 numbers, random numbers. And let's go and create a for loop. It will start from 0 until 6, and let's do what we are going to do here. First, we need to write var value, and if you want to generate random number, we say random dot next. So here we have like a mean value and max value. Here I write 0, it will start from 0 including 0, and then here I write 50. Why I don't write 49, sorry, because here this 50, the second one, it will not include, it will be lesser. So we need from 0 until 49, it is something like this. Now here we say lottery, and I, if it is 0, it is first value, and then we'll assign our value. But here we have a problem. Okay, let's first run this one, then I will tell what is the problem. And we'll create a for each loop, and then we say number, and then inside our lottery, and just we'll write, we will do like maybe right, and we say number, and each time when we write the number, let's put a comma, something like this. Let's run it how it is functioning. As you see that, let's try to get the same number if we have it. As you see that we have 217. First we want to prevent this one. If we have second time like 17, we will not be will generate the next one because we don't want the same number. And the secondly, we want to sort it. For example, in this case 9 should be the first, and then it should be 17. You know, it should be go like this. First, let's prevent for the second number. We'll say if lottery contains, we have a method it called contains, and we write a value. If our value already contains inside our lottery, then we'll not be adding it. What we'll do, first we will decrement I, because this turn, this time we say we have the same number, and we'll say continue. So the moment we say continue, it will increase I, but it will only give us like a 5 number. We'll decrease and then we'll continue. And let's try like this. In this way, you will never have like the same number. All of them is different number. So now what we are going to do, that we are going to sort them. In order to sort them, we have an array class. It really has a lot of things, and that dot sort, as you see that, and then we write our lottery, because, and then lottery. Now we have sorted it. Now you see that. Ascending. You see? You can check it. This is like this. And lastly, after we sort it here, what we can do. Because I want to just remove the last comma. What I can do, let me think. Here I can create a string. I will say result, and I will set it null. Let me think. In this way it will be longer, maybe. Let's see what I can do. You say a number, and then comma, and then here we say result, and we'll trim it in the end because we have a comma. Sorry, because it's only one. So in order to delete this comma, you see, we have to create another for each loop. So for each loop, and then we say number, and then this time result, console, and then I will just write number. Let's see how it is functioning. Oh, I think we made a mistake somehow. Let me see what we have done here. First, yeah, this is true. Let's put a breakpoint here. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, I understand what I'm done. I apologize. And let's go just print the result. As you see that we have get rid of the trim. Because this trim the end, it will remove the comma in the end, and then I just print it out. It is like this each time with the random numbers, as you see that. yeah, this is like this. In next video we will do something more detailed about the lottery. Maybe we'll kind of make a game that we will input like 6 digits, and our lottery will randomly generate, and then we'll compare. If we have the same number, we'll win some money. And also I just want to do something like this, maybe as you see that 2 3 4, I will make some modification here, maybe about our lottery, or maybe it is like this. Yeah, anyway, thanks for watching. See you next video, guys.